What's the meaning of CD writer? CD writer. CD writer.
CD writer. CD writer. A CD writer is a device that can write data onto a CD. It uses a laser to burn tiny pits into the surface of a CD, which can then be read by a CD player. The process of writing to a CD involves creating a spiral track of these pits on the disk's surface. Once the data has been written to the CD, it can be read by any device that supports the CD format. CD writers were popular in the 1990s and early 2000s, but have since been largely replaced by USB drives and cloud storage.